Switchblades.tv presents Available at AssistedKnife.com. Roadsideimports.com presents
the Spyderco Spyderfly Titanium Balisong Butterfly. Titanium rainbow finish version of the Spyderfly. This Spyderfly has cast stainless steel handles for a comfortable handling. Spyderco has equipped it with a reversible spring-loaded locking lever that locks the blade closed. For safe pocket carry, squeeze the handle together and release the lock. Round holes in the handles let you open and rotate index confidently while doing the dance. The 440C hollow ground blade is sharpened on one side with a dagger grind down the center balancing of the blade. The wire clip attaches to either handle on either side for a variety of carrying options. The Spyderfly is a utilitarian linking of traditional balisong with innovative features expected by a Spyderco.
Available at AssistedKnife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com